Alright, this is going to be a super quick video, only because I get a lot of comments about this and I figured might as well share some details. So a lot of people have been asking about how I mount my traction boards to the truck. Keep it simple. So if you look real closely, I use these little magnet pucks that I picked up off Amazon, and they're threaded in the middle, and all you gotta do is get this little threaded rod, get a big washer, get a wing nut, and then it basically just attaches to the back of the bulkhead of the truck bed. So it works if you have a steel truck bed. If you have an aluminum one, unfortunately this isn't going to work. But keep it simple. I know there's other solutions for how you can mount this with, like, you know, those molle panels or whatnot, but those are super expensive. I think this cost me no more than 20 bucks to pick up the magnets off Amazon and then get the hardware from Menards. But anyway, super simple. And what's cool about it is all you got to do is pull it off like that. So if you want to move it over to the side, let's say you got a weird shaped cargo, put it over here, and then the magnets just pop right back onto the truck bed. So anyway, I've been getting a lot of questions about how I mount my traction boards. That is how. So magnet with a little threaded rod, wing nuts, and big washers just to hold everything in place. Doesn't loosen up, and super quick to undo it with those wing nuts. But anyway, quick video. Thanks.